underscore AI's potential to transform mining into a more environmentally friendly industry. By integrating AI systems, mines can maintain high productivity while ensuring the surrounding ecosystems are protected and preserved. Prevention over detection. The traditional model of environmental monitoring in mining has primarily focused on detection and response. However, AI is shifting this paradigm towards prevention. By predicting environmental impacts before they occur, AI enables more effective and preemptive management strategies. Future advancements in AI are expected to enhance its predictive capabilities even further. Imagine AI systems that could simulate potential mining operations in virtual environments to foresee the ecological consequences before ground is ever broken. Such proactive measures could revolutionize environmental conservation in mining and beyond. Why it matters beyond mining. The implications of AI in environmental monitoring extend far beyond the mining industry. For instance, the agriculture sector can benefit from AI's insights into soil health and water usage, leading to more sustainable farming practices. In urban areas, AI can improve air quality management and waste disposal processes. By adopting AI technologies, various sectors can not only protect the environment, but also optimize their operations, reduce costs, and comply with increasingly stringent regulations. The integration of AI into environmental monitoring practices is not just a technological advancement. It is a necessary evolution towards a more sustainable and conscientious global economy. In conclusion, AI is not merely a tool for economic efficiency. It is a crucial ally in our quest to protect and preserve our planet. Mining is just the beginning. As we continue to harness the power of AI, its potential to safeguard Earth in real time will only grow, marking a new era of environmental responsibility and